and welcome back to Yes Let's. Today we are going to be learning about mime. When you think about mime, you might picture someone in stripy clothing with a white painted face doing things like this. Mime is often associated with the French, but it actually originated in ancient Greece. In Greek theatre, mime was used to depict scenes of everyday life. There was also some song and speech mixed in there too. When the Romans invaded Greece, the tradition of mime came back to Italy with them and began to seep into Italian culture. This was the beginnings of a new genre called Commedia dell'Arte, and I hope I'm saying that right. Commedia dell'Arte was an extravaganza of acrobatics, dramatic comedy and masked performance. In 1576, a group of travelling performers brought this genre over to France. French audiences loved it, and over 300 years the genre developed and gained a new French flavour. This is the type of mime that many of us recognise today. It's a patchwork quilt of styles and ideas that spans cultures and hundreds of years. Once mime had established itself as a theatrical art form, it began to appear in films too. A long time ago, before we had the technology that we have today, films were silent films because they couldn't record the sound and the pictures at the same time. So, films were underscored by music and had subtitles to describe what was going on, but the actors had to mime what was going on. They had to mime their emotions and their gestures. Until talkies, or movies that had talking and dialogue in them, came on the scene, mime and gesture was an essential part of cinema. So, with all that in mind, what is mime? Put simply, mime is a way of telling a story without words. So in place of that, we have to use our bodies. We have to use gesture and movement to show the emotions that we're feeling and to show the story and the narrative. Gesture in mime is also an essential part of ballet performances because ballet doesn't have any dialogue, so they use gesture and mime to tell the story. For example, this means my, this means love, this means marry, this means queen. So as you can see, just from those examples, there are lots of mimes that are used in ballet and they are integral to the story. Mime is also a great rehearsal tool. It's a fantastic drama game that you can play with others to build confidence and to build teamwork, but it's also great for the individual actor. It can help an actor feel more connected to their body and to the story. It can help us to connect emotionally, and it's a great storytelling tool. It's also great for improvisation because we're really connecting to our bodies and our imagination. And mime is, of course, a fantastic comedic tool too. The great Charlie Chaplin was a mime master, and he could make audiences laugh their socks off without uttering a single word. When we use mime, we're figuring out different ways of telling the story. This opens up exciting new opportunities to express ourselves. Think of it like a game of charades. In the absence of words, what else do we have that we can use? Why not try out some mimes at home? Go where your imagination takes you. Think of some everyday activities and then try some mimes for them. You could be eating a great big slice of cake or wrapping up a Christmas gift. You could be walking your imaginary dog or even surfing the great white waves. It's up to you. These are your mimes, so experiment and have fun. That's all from us today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you keep up to date with all of our new videos. We hope you have a lovely day and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.